Hi everyone, this is Varlakshmi. Welcome to YVL Creations. Today I would like to explain how to make garam masala just in 2 minutes at home. Just heat the bowl and add the coriander seeds, means dhania. Make sure the bowl should be dry. Let it roast for 2 minutes. Then we need to add a cloves and the cinnamon and 2 ilachi. When we are taking cloves, we need to take the best quality. Then if you add few cloves also will get that good flavor. Generally high quality, even though we are cultivating them, but the fine quality mostly will be exported. The lower quality only will be available in most the markets. So make sure that the cloves should be reddish brown, so that the quality will be good. Why? Because the cloves, they will remove the oil from the cloves. They'll compress and they'll remove the oil. Then the cloves will be very thin. And cinnamon also, we have layers. If you take the inside layer, it should be like this, or otherwise if you take the outside layer, the quality will not be good. So make sure that when we are buying the spices, the quality should be good. Otherwise, even though if you add more powder also, we will not get much good taste. So after roasting 2 minutes coriander, we have to add the cinnamon and cloves. Then it roasted for a minute. Then finally add 2 ilachi and switch off the stove. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Then we can grind it like this. The powder should be like this. So then just transfer to a glass jar, so that we can store up to 1 month. The flavor will be good. Even if you add the half spoon powder also in the curries, the taste will be good. We can use it for any non-veg curry or biryani. For biryani we can use this powder, and other spices we can add raw spices. And even for veg curries like brinjal or aloo, we can add this powder. Like this we can make the powder for every 15 or 30 days like that, so that we will get the good flavor and will also get the benefit of the spices. Hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. I made this video for one of my friend requests. Thanks again.